Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello all, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is the special session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the previous year economy questions. Okay, so this session is purely aimed towards how to approach the upcoming prelims exam and how to crack the exam in more easier way by using certain elimination strategy or else finding the key within the question. Okay, so all these things will be discussed here. Okay, so let's begin the session. Okay. Among the agricultural commodities imported by India, which one of the following accounts for the highest import in terms of value in the last 5 years? Okay, see, these kinds of questions may ask here and there. Okay, but with a basic idea or a basic understanding of the India's economy or India's agriculture, you can answer this question. Okay, see, these kinds of questions are here and there. Okay, it is not even indirectly connected to the current affair. Okay, the source of this question is unknown. Okay, but still you can answer these kinds of questions. Okay, think spices. Okay, see, even Britishers. Okay, all the European countries travel towards India and just they did the colonization. All the need is for their spices. Okay, so in such a way, India have the good production of the spices. Okay, next, fresh fruits. Okay, Northeast India is doing lot more huge production in the fresh fruits. Okay, even the southern states also doing well in the production of these fresh fruits. Okay, next, pulses. See, obviously there is a huge production in the pulses. Okay, because we are providing MSP for that. Okay, next, vegetable oil. Okay, in PDS system. Okay, we are providing a palm oil. Okay, see, India is hugely depends on the palm oil. Okay, India is the second largest import of the palm oil. Okay, the reason behind is we can't cultivate the palm oil in India. Okay, palm oil only grow around the equatorial regions. Okay, mostly in the Amazon forest or some areas are related near towards the equatorial region. Okay, the major imports for India for the palm oil is comes from the Indonesia and Australia. Okay, so these are the major things about the palm oil. Okay, in such a scenario, the answer will be the vegetable oil. See, but if you are eliminate all the three statements, it means you can easily go for the fourth statement. Okay, or else if you have the knowledge about the palm oil, means by that also you can go for a statement as the answer is D. Okay, so with the basic understanding about the India's agriculture, okay, with the basic understanding of the imports of India, you can answer these kinds of questions also. Okay, thank you.